What happens when you stick mechanical-style watch hands on a Google Wear OS smartwatch? You get the LG Watch W7. The $450 watch aims to mix traditional watch style with high-tech smartwatch, with mixed results. The Watch W7 can last up to 100 days on a charge as a regular watch with its analog hands. With its round LCD display on and Google's Wear OS software running, battery life drops to 2 days. The LG Watch W7's hands move out of the way, sort of, when messages come in, by pressing a button on the side. But those hands are still sitting on top of the screen, weirdly. In more normal watch modes, it does look fine. But the W7 is a large watch, one that not everyone will want to put on their wrist. There are lots of new smartwatches this fall, and many new Wear OS ones, including upcoming models with improved battery life thanks to new Qualcomm processors. This LG watch does not have those processors. Instead, the bizarre watch trick it's pulling off is trying for better battery life too, but it might not be the solution you're looking for. The LG Watch W7 isn't a high-end fitness watch compared to some other Wear OS watches. It's lacking a few of the extra features, and it notably is not swim-ready water resistant. It's still IP68, which means that it's water and dust resistant for dunks and brief immersions. This is LG's first Google Android or Wear OS smartwatch since the LG Watch Sport and LG Watch Style that debuted in early 2017. Those watches were more about connected functions and even LTE. This watch does not have cellular on board, but possibly in a future model it might.